What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. We have a classic car lot walk here today. Over 20 in stock in our warehouse. Guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, like button. It's been a while since we did this. We've been selling cars so fast, I haven't had time to do a lot walk, but we have 20 in stock today. We got some good cars. We got a nice Z28 over here, RS. I have a GTO right over there. I got some Mustang fastbacks over there. A nice Nova SS big block car. Guys, stay tuned, subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, follow me for more content as I go out and buy the classic cars and I chase them and as we sell them. Let's get started, guys. All right, guys, so we got a bunch of cars. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the Camaros on this side. Got this beautiful Yanko clone. This has got a 383 stroker under the hood. It's got a roll cage. 4-speed automatic. It's got a racing transmission. Wide tires in the rear, as you can see. Paint shines nice on this one. Guys, $35,000 free shipping anywhere in the US. Now this walk is going to be quick. Every car will be posted with a full walkthrough if it's not already sold by the time we make this video. We got this 68 big block. 396 4-speed. This is a clean car, convertible. Got this one listed for 50 grand. Then we got Fast Eddie. Fast Eddie is a 69 Truzy 28, but it does have a 400 small block. It's built up, cammed up, it's fast, it's loud, it's got the patina, old school. Flash sale on this one, $28,000 buys this. We'll get to this one at the end because this is my favorite car I have today, so stay tuned for that one. I'll talk about it. It's a heck of a car. Then we got this 69 convertible. This has got a stroker in it, 383. This is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Beautiful wheels. Interior's nice. It's clean. 50,000 buys this one. 50 G's. Okay, and we got this nice Malibu here. Got this. This is a nice SS. It's got a 350 4-speed. Listed for $32,500. Nice clean car. Then we got a 69 Nova, a big block car, true big block, matching numbers, 396 car, 4-speed, bucket seats, clean interior. $55,000 buys this one. And this car is in immaculate condition. Got a fastback Mustang here. Air-conditioned car. All original. Looks like it's the original engine. Original trans. Wimbledon white. It's had one repaint. Clean interior. This car came from California. Very, very clean. $52,500 buys this. And this one is sold. We got this Jaguar here. Jaguar's got 40,000 miles on it. Convertible V12. I can do 12.5 on this. Another convertible here, Beetle. Clean little Beetle. It's a super Beetle, actually. And I can do 13 on that. Moving on, Thunderbird, 65 Thunderbird, Wimbledon white, 390. $13,500 buys this. And moving on, we got this Cadillac 76 DeVille. $12,500 buys this. Got the Plymouth Fury here. It's got a little lot rot. It's been here for a while. I really haven't advertised this car too much. One owner, original paint car. Got a 318 under the hood. Air conditions ice cold. 10K buys this. I did lose the title for it, so we did apply for a new title, waiting for that to come in. Hence the reason we haven't advertised it. But if you want it, you can put a deposit on it until the title comes in. Then we got this Trans Am GTA. It's got like 25,000 original miles on it. What's cool about this, it's a hatchback. Pretty rare. I think they made 687 of them. 15 grand buys this. Moving on. 72 GTO. It's actually a Pontiac Le Mans. It's got a 400. It's a Judge Tribute. Clean. Runs good. Drives good. Doesn't need much at all. Pretty much nothing. Ready to go. That's 42.5. Moving on, we got an S code here. 390 big block, 69. Beautiful color. Winter blue. $59,995. And a nice 66 Shelby back here. This car has so much work done to it. Got it listed for 50K. Very fast, very loud. Runs good. Got about $25,000 in paperwork just in the drivetrain. Got this nice BMW here. Convertible for 13 grand. This is a nice little keeper driver. And we have an M3, 88 M3. This one's 60 grand. And now the one you've been waiting for, guys. We saved the best for last. 69 Z28 RS. This is a Jerry McNeish certified car. I got the report on it. Really nice car. Beautiful color. This car was done right. Got this one listed for 100 G's. First 100 gets it. This car is nice. It's clean. It's pretty much showroom. Doesn't need anything. Ready to go. All right, guys, let me know what you thought. Not cheapies in here. Not too many cheapies. But nice cars, nonetheless. We'll take you over to our other lot. Please subscribe. The other lot is going to be our cheaper cars. A little bit of projects going on. Stuff that's not perfect like the cars here. These cars are in pretty good shape. Over at the other lot, we got I think a 57 Thunderbird that runs and drives. It's been sitting for like 10 years. We have another Mustang. We have a Chevelle over there. Some cool stuff coming up, so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, like. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. God bless the USA. Take care, guys.